Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Here I am Lokman, an assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Now I am going to take an agricultural studies for the students of class 6. Our today's topic has been taken from chapter 9, lesson 9 and 10. I would like to request you, please open your book and go to chapter 5, lesson 9 and 10. In this chapter, it has been discussed about the different types of cultivable fishes in Bangladesh. In lesson 10, it has been also discussed about the nutrition, demand and economic importance of this fish. So basically, fish is a very tasty and favorite food for all types of Bangladeshi people. We like to eat fish every day. We can't imagine a single day without eating fish. And all the water body of our Bangladesh is very suitable for fish cultivating, and the farmers and those who cultivate this fish and provide to us and they sell us, we are very grateful to them because they are meeting the demand of our nutrition and food items. So let's see today's discussion first. In lesson 9, I hope you have already opened your book now. Lesson 9, it has been discussed about the characteristics of cultivable fishes in Bangladesh. Though many kinds of fishes, different types of and different species of fishes are available in Bangladesh, but they are not cultivated properly in all types of water body. Different types of fish can be grown oil in different types of water body, such as all of them cannot be cultivated in ponds. The fishes whose young ones are easily available, grow quickly, have demand and fair price in market, are nutritious and tasty to eat, are cultivated in the pond. The main cultivable fishes in our country are rui, katla and trout. Trout means the fishes which can be grown in sweet water. Okay, their physical characteristics are described below. I have a collection of today's fish. These are all cultivable fish. Now let's see one after another. First of all, rui. Its body is long. Its body is long. You have a look. This is our rui fish. Its body is very longer, and the head is comparatively small. Its head is very small. The lip is swelled up and there are many delicate wrinkles at the edge of the lip. Here you can see some wrinkles. Can you see? Yes, this is the wrinkles of the fishes. The back is quite brown. The back is quite brown in color. Okay, next see the belly is light golden. Its belly is light golden in color. It becomes 1 kg within a year. Okay, next one is katla. Let's have a look on katla fish. This is our katla fish. Okay, see the characteristics of katla fish. Its head is big, the body is wide and a bit subdued, the back is high, the mouth is bent upwards. This fish grows very quickly. If they are properly fed, they can be 4 to 5 kg within 2 years. Okay, mrigal. Now let's have a look on mrigal fish. This is our mrigal. It's longer in body, but head is very small. But the whole fish is very slim. Okay, the head is smaller than the body. The mouth is slightly downwards. The body is long. The lower portion is longitudinally straight. They have 2 pairs of small antennas by the 2 sides of mouth. Next one is silver carp. Let's have a look on silver carp. This is our silver carp fish. Its color is like very white. Okay, let's see the characteristics of silver carp. They are river water fish of China and Russia. Their head is small, the middle portion is wide, The front and back side is narrow. The scale is very small. The color of the body is glittering silvery. Their mouth is bent upwards like cuttlefish. Next one is grass crab. Here is the picture of grass crab fish. It can be grown easily. It eats grass, green grass, that's why it's named after grass crab. Okay, characteristics of this fish, they are also found in the rivers of China and Russia. Their body is quite long, the head is small, the color of the body is whitish and the fin is small. They grow quickly. Next one is tilapia. Let's have a look this tilapia fish. This is our common fish in our local market. We usually eat this type of fish. Okay, tilapia, they have been brought from Thailand. Tilapia is very short and comparatively white in shape. The fish is very small but white in size. Okay, the body is subdued and the color is blue. They are rapidly increasing and delicious to eat. Next one is Thai short putty. This fish is also called royal putty or Rajputty. The body color of this fish is bright silvery. The body is quite flattened. The head is quite small. The picture of Thai short putty is here. You can see the body is flattened. Okay, now let's see the lesson 10. In this lesson, it has been discussed about nutrition and economic importance of cultivable fish. Basically, those who cultivate fish, they can earn a lot of money, even though they, after meeting the demand of our local market and our Bangladesh, they also import this. They also they send this fish to other countries and they get some foreign currency. This is our exported product also. Okay, we can be economically benefited by fish farming. Fish is very favorite food to everybody. We eat fish every day with other food items. Today, the production of fish is very scanty in comparison to its demand. Fulfill of the demand of nutrition. Fish is the main source of protein in our everyday menu. It's a delicious and nutritious food. Protein is necessary for our physical growth and prevention of disease. A grown-up man needs 33 gram to 66 gram of protein daily. Animal protein is the best among all proteins, but currently we eat less animal protein than required. Moreover, fish oil is beneficial to health. Small fishes of different breeds such as mola fish, dela, ketchki fish have a lot of vitamin A. Next one is source of livelihood. About 15 million people in Bangladesh earn their livelihood in different ways from fishes such as fish farming, catching fish and selling fish. The opportunities of employment are decreasing in our country as a result of population rise. Next one, earning of foreign currency. Bangladesh is earning a lot of foreign currency by exporting fish abroad. Basically, we export our shrimp to other countries and we can get a lot of currency from other countries, which can improve our national economy. Bangladesh is earning a lot of foreign currency by exporting fish abroad. It's possible to 86% of the total earning in fish export comes from the export of prawn or shrimp or lobster. It's possible to increase this earning by increasing fish farming. Okay, socio-economic development. There are many shallow ponds, ditches and canals where fish is not cultivated. We can develop the economic condition of the poor and low-income people of the villages by arranging fish farming in these water bodies. There are lots of water bodies are left where nobody uses this water body, nobody cultivates this water body. But if we can cultivate any types of any species of fish in this type of water body, then we can be benefited. So I hope you have already understood our today's discussion. Now give a pause in your video and pick out my SW. There are some knowledge based question. The SW number is 4, lecture number 5, SW number 4. Here are 5 questions. Pick out the questions. First question is, write the name of some cultivable fishes. Second one, how is the shape of head of cuttlefish? Third one, what's the color of body of silver carpfish? 4 number, when does a tilapia fish become edible? Number 5, what is called the Thai sharpoti? What is another name of Thai sharpoti? This is all about our today's class. I hope you have already collected our SW. So submit this SW next Sunday and collect this SW another Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can come to submit this SW. You should submit this SW in your CW or SW copy, but if it is not possible to maintain, then you can use your sheet or what type, what color, what type of any type of paper, but you should mention your name, roll number at the top of your copy, and your subject should be mentioned differently. Your SW copy should be different subject for different copy. Stay home, stay safe. See you soon with next video. Allah Hafiz.